Hi, and welcome to this section on making your final decision. Listen, if you got to this stage now, you've been down a long road. Some of you, it's been years, others months. Regardless, you're at the stage where you, your parents, your counselors, your coaches, college coach wants you to make a decision on where you're going to go to college and spend your 4 years. And for some, it's easy. Others, it can be very difficult. One of the biggest decisions they have to make. So here's a little bit of advice from some, I guess, more analytical to more gut thoughts. The first is to relax about the process. Again, in the beginning, it's not easy narrowing down a list of schools right for you. At the end, more than likely you're looking at 3 or 4 similar type schools, probably similar locations and sizes and athletic levels for the most part. Not everybody, but the reality is when you've done all your homework and visited and now you're down to a few schools, you probably can't make a wrong choice. The experience is going to be somewhat similar at the different places. 3 things you can do if you really are very, very stuck. One is I would pick the school that is best in its academic reputation, can help you after college. Might be the school that's hardest to get into. Could also be the school that's best for your particular major. Second would be then to pick a school, if they're all equal academically, is maybe to pick a school that is either cheaper or one where you get the best financial aid package, which can help you and your family short-term and long-term. The third then, again, if you're equal on these other things, is to pick a school where you like the athletic program the most, the coaches, the teammates, the facilities, etc. Again, if you're down to a few schools that are very similar, your athletic experience at these schools is going to have a big factor to how happy you are during your time there. So if you got 3 schools that are the same, but one you like the guys or the girls in the team and you like the coaches and the field and the facilities, that really can be the deciding factor. The way most people really wind up choosing schools and making a comfortable long-term decision is when you're down to your 2, 3, 4, 5, you really should go back for a long day or an overnight and kind of spend the day in the life of a student, from seeing the dorms to going to classes, to eat in the cafeteria, meet people on campus, meet the team, watch a practice or a game, really kind of test drive the school in the way that you'll live it when you eventually get there. So when people do that, they generally feel much more at ease about the decision that they're making. It's a gut decision, and it usually proves out right. So hopefully those things will help you on your way to making a decision about college, and look forward to seeing you at the next section.